Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This video is especially for firefighting hazards. How to recognize different types of hazards of firefighting. As we all know that for designing a firefighting system, there is some layout process. First of all, we know that we have to define the hazards. Second one, analyze the structure. Third one, analyze the water supply. Fourth one, select the type of system, that which type of system we have to design, we have to install, whether light hazard or different types of like wet system, deluge system, pre-action system. In next video we will see in details. And third one, select the sprinkler type and locate that which type of sprinkler we have to install, whether pendant or upright or side wall. We have to recognize as per this layout process, and also piping arrangement and hanger and support, and include system attachments, that which type of system, what their specification, like pumps, which type of pumps, and different types. We will see inshallah in next video one by one in fully details. And third one and last, hydraulic calculation. This is very important. In our next tutorial we will see hydraulic calculation with software, with manual calculation. And the last one, note and details for plans. And after that all this layout process finish, when building is handover, we submit as build drawing. So first of all, here suppose here I have one drawing. I have here one drawing. See, as you can see that this is a simple architecture drawing. Okay, we have to design this building with a sprinkler system, but we don't know anything. Okay, so first of all, here you can see first of all we have to define the hazards. So we are going to define hazards in this tutorial. First of all, see, this room is die casting. So die casting, we have to define which hazards it comes die casting. So we will go in NFPA 13 and find hazards categories, section 5.2. we will see light hazards, ordinary hazard 2, and extra hazard group 1 and extra hazard group 2. So we will find where it is die casting. So here die casting, ordinary hazard group 1, no die casting, ordinary hazard group 2, die casting, no die casting, and extra hazard group 1 die casting. Yes, it means the die casting comes under the extra hazard. So we have to design this area according to extra hazard category. Extra hazards. Okay, and second one, textile manufacturing. So textile manufacturing comes under textile manufacturing LMN. This is alphabetically. Yes, textile manufacturing. It means it comes under ordinary hazard group 2. So it comes ordinary hazard group 2, ordinary hazard group 2. Third one, bakeries. bakeries, ordinary hazard group 1. Yes, bakeries comes ordinary hazards group 1. It means this area we have to design according to ordinary hazard group 1. Yes, you know that all hazards is different, so according to hazards the density and design area will vary. So this is very important to define the hazards. And say this office is which hazards? Office, light hazards office. So it comes office light hazards. And other one is battery room. So battery room, where is battery room? Here not, here it's not. Also in next hazard here. So as per NFPA, the battery room we cannot define. Yes, we can define, but here in the table it is not mentioned. So we have to go in another. I have another book that for Dubai UI fire code safety. So we have to find in this table battery room, right? So battery room, see here none, system requirements none. It means battery room don't need any sprinkler system. So this area does not need any sprinkler system, no sprinkler. So in this tutorial we learn how to define hazards, because defining hazards is very important for our designing system, which will come next tutorials. So first finish define hazards. Now second one we will go through analyze the structure. This which type of structure the ceiling is, slope one or flat ceiling or a smooth ceiling. Okay, so in next tutorial we will analyze the structure. Thank you very much.